This challenge is called luck. It was marked as a pawn task, but honestly I'm not sure that's the best fit. It had 74 solves, so once again it was one of the easier ones. The description simply says, lucky enough? We also get a remote address and links to download the source code of the challenge. We are given 3 files, a Docker file, which lets us run the challenge locally, a csproj file, that's the .NET project file, and program CS, which contains the main logic. Let's focus on that last one. The source code is pretty short. Execution starts in the main method. The first few lines checks whether the user is human, just a basic prompt. Then the flag is read from the environment variable and the game begins. At the start, we can either provide a seed input or just hit enter for a random one. If we provide something, it is used to seed the random number generator. The game is turn-based, between the player and the joker. Each round, both the player and the joker roll for a score, but the joker has a slight advantage. His score range is a bit higher. Scores are added round by round, and the game ends when someone passes 100 points. If we manage to beat the joker, we win and we get the flag. Now, here's the key part. We control the seed input. So the idea is, can we brute force a short input that reliably leads us winning the game? Since the code is written in C#, I decided to use the same language for the brute force tool. Here's the plan. We take the original game logic and extract just the core, without any user input or prints. That becomes our check method. It plays the full game and returns true if the player wins. The getSeed method is taken directly from the challenge source. It transforms the input string into a number used to seed the RNG. Then we brute force input strings, starting with length 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Each one is passed to check. If it returns true, we print it and we are done. From a quick test, it turns out that valid seed starts appearing around length 4. Running the brute force script, we quickly find at least one valid input. Once we have it, we connect to the remote challenge paste the input, press enter a few times, and the flag shows up. So, the key to this challenge was controlling the random seed and predicting the game's outcome. Using a minimal brute force tool in C# got us the win in seconds. Nice and clean.